Alright guys, welcome back to Cars with Luis. On this video, I want to show you guys the Porsche Carrera GT, but not any Porsche Carrera GT. This Porsche is modified. It's got a badass exhaust. You gotta hear it. It's so freaking loud, okay? And then I'm also going to show you the Porsche 918 Spyder with an also loud exhaust customized by Boden Autohaus. These guys are mad scientists when it comes to custom exhaust. You're gonna love this. So take a look at this, and you guys can see before you guys watch this video, I'm at Porsche Exchange here in Chicago, Illinois. Well, technically Highland Park, Illinois, but in the Chicagoland area. I'm here to look at a few cars that I want to see because again, I haven't been here for a minute. And yeah, I'm saying hello to my friends at work over here. Let me know what you think of the Carrera GT and the 918 Spyder. How incredible is this 918 Spyder? Unfreaking real. I know here in Chicago, the Hamilton collection also has a 918 Spyder, and it sounds incredible. Go check out their YouTube video so you can see what I'm talking about. In the meantime, let's give it up to the boys over at Boden Autohaus for creating such an amazing beast. The wrap on the car, the wheels, that exhaust. Every angle of the 918 is incredible. This exhaust is freaking awesome. All the bends, all the welds, nicely done. That logo of Boden Autohaus, love it. No wonder these cars scream. Look at all those bends. So, in order to get this car to 1,000 horsepower, they had to equal the length of the headers and do a custom tune to make this car scream. Let's hear it one more time, guys, please.